Hello guys, this is the same program, simple temperature conversion from Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, Kelvin to Fahrenheit. I have written two tutorials and made the videos for it and posted on YouTube. You can watch them for further knowledge. I have converted the C++ program from Java. Now I am going to convert this program from Java, C++ to, let's copy all the code, create new C file, conversion.c, and paste it here. Okay, let's increase the font size. Okay, let's increase the window size also, so it will become more. Okay, I will install it later. Okay, so C++, this is C program, so we are going to convert it from C to C++ to C, studio.h, pure C code. So we remove everything, we don't need these, and we cannot use const double here, and I will define C plus style constant. Okay, this constant is now in C style. Okay, next these function remain same, and we make it let's say float, control H, and change all the doubles to float, replace all. Okay, all the values will become floats now. Think not all of code copied, and this copied, and let's copy all these. Okay, now it is copied. Okay, let's change the desired things. Okay, this is okay. This is main function. Main function becomes double. Let's delete it, and be careful when you convert. And let's change it also to float. Change all. Okay, next remove these, and now we need to change these to, let's say, control H and cout insertion operator to printf and parenthesis, replace all. Okay, now \n for new line, and we copy this. Okay, let's change these things. Okay, and everything remains same except the output files. Okay, now this has to be changed. Okay, percentage point to f and percentage point to f \n. Okay, it is input and result and parenthesis close. Okay, let's copy this, and we change the values accordingly. Okay, this will become Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius. This print statement change to C to K, so Kelvin. Okay, this statement this is K to C, so remove this and put Kelvin to C, and this is F to Kelvin. Fahrenheit to Kelvin, and this statement Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So it will become Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Okay, rest of the things remain same. Remove this also. It will become parenthesis and new line, \n and close. That's it. This is done. Okay, now let's move to function implementation. So this function is okay. This function is okay. This function is okay. All these functions are okay. Only need to change print statements. C is the procedure language that is very close to C++. Basically, all these programming languages, Java, C++, C#, are C family languages. We can conveniently interchange the code between these languages. Okay, see how it is, how easy it is to change the codes. Okay, all the codes are changed almost, and if there will be some error, I will check it out. New terminal, and we use GCC compiler -o main and conversion.c. Okay, we have few errors. C in undeclared, and okay, print statements. Int main, and where is cn? This is cn. Okay, we need to change it to scanf, %f, and input. That's it. Cn undeclared, and error. Okay, I think that is okay. Now what? Cn again 141. Okay, again reading. This is integer value, so we will scan f %d and pass by address. Okay, choice. So that's it. Now we run it. Main. What happened here? Conversion. Oh, sorry. Let's change to command prompt. GCC -o main conversion.c. Okay, main. Okay, new lines. C++ is different. We have to pass new line here. New line. Okay. New line, and this is new line, and this is new line. Okay, and new line here. And let me check if we need to pass new line. And new line is already there. And please enter temperature and new line, and I think that's it. Okay, let's break it, compile it, and run it. Okay, that's good. It's done. So choice 1, let's say 32 Celsius, change to Fahrenheit. And number 4, Kelvin to Celsius, let's say 500, and this is Celsius. Okay, similarly 6, Kelvin to Fahrenheit, let's say 200, and this is the Fahrenheit. That's it, guys. It is very easy to convert from C++ to pure C programming. Pure C programming. Nothing is used from the C++. Everything is C, pure C. So guys, use this code to learn C programming. And if you have any question, drop me a message or comment. I will reply. And please subscribe to the channel to promote. Thank you, guys. And I am going to make almost for the beginners and the advanced programming tutorials and programs in various programming languages. I know almost 15 plus programming languages. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.